Alright guys, what we're going to do today is we're going to go and use DJI, if DJI will connect. I don't know. We'll have to see. The verdict's not out on that one either. We're just going to go and hang out and see Steve. Don't have a lot of batteries, so we just got to make it count. And so off we go. Let's see what... We're going to stay super low to the ground as if we were a Ishin truck.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Yeah, it's telling me low battery, so it is what it is. Here we go. Do 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 do.
Battery level critically low battery. Go home.
I know.
Critically low low battery.
Oh my gosh. Is there any time that we'll ever make it back? I don't know. Come on, go! Go, go, go. We'll never make it back, will we? I don't know. Put the drone down. Put the drone down. Alright, we'll put the drone down. Somewhere over there. We'll never make it to...
Maximum flight distance reached.
Will we make it back? Hi. I was hoping to make it to Steve's house, but... yeah, it's low on battery. It wants me to put it down. Oops. There we go. Down it went. Good job, DJI. Freaked out. It freaked out. What are you gonna do? It's DJI. Ooh. It's freaking out, it's freaking out. Anyway, I'm going to turn this thing off. All the batteries are dead on this thing, unfortunately. And, well, had our first crash with DJI. Oh, DJI. It's like having Cyber Nanny. You can kind of fly indoors, outdoors. You got Cyber Nanny. I don't know. The batteries are dead. It is what it is, guys. It is what it is. I think we broke a prop.